Now today I will be teaching you to find the roots of the equation, quadratic equation, by factorization. Factorization already you have learned in class 8. So with the help of that I will be starting. So I have given you one sum only, and there are 3 parts. Factorize, find the roots of the equation of this, this and this. Okay. First question, A part. First question, A part. Okay. Then the question is that x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. How many roots will be there? Roots means that is for those two values the equation will be equal to the both. The equation has got equal to 0 if I substitute that value in x here. So middle term factor 10 2s are 5 2s are 10. 10 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. Or minus 5 plus 2 is how much? It is 3, minus 3. So I have factorized it. This factorization you have learned in class 8. Okay, and now here we take common x minus 5 plus of 2 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then again I take x minus 5 common from both, then I get x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, that means product of two number is 0, means either this is 0 or this is 0 or both of them 0. So therefore I write x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now therefore the roots are 5 and minus 2. Let us check. I put the value here 5. The 5 square is how much? 25. And minus 3 into 5 is 15. And minus 10, that is 25 minus 15 minus 10 is how much? It is 0. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. So these are the solution. You can check it like that. Okay. Now the first sum, B part. It is 2x square plus of x minus of 6 is equal to 0. With the same method, middle term factor split, we will get 2 6 are how much? 12. And I just want 1. 12, how many factors? That is 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So it is 2x square plus 4x minus 3x plus of 6 is equal to 0. Have you followed? Yes. Then it is 2x, take common from this, x, there will remain x and plus of 2. And minus 3 if you take common from both, this is minus 2, you take from both, then we get x minus 3, then x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, then I take x plus 2 common, and then we get 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. With the same method of application, we get x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Implies that is x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore the roots are minus 2 and 3 by 2. Let us check with the second this thing. Second is 3 by 2. Let us check. That is 3 by 2 whole square. That means 9 by 4. 9 by 4 into 2. And if you substitute this in this equation, you will be getting both the sides 0. We will be getting both the sides 0. Now we move to the third portion. The third sum is that C part, that is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. What is the method? That is, if ax square plus bx plus c is the linear polynomial, we multiply a and c. So it is a linear quadratic polynomial. So it is root 2 into 5 root 2 is how much? That is 10. I want 7 from 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So 2 root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Yes, this one. Now I take root 2 common, I take x common, then I remain with root 2x plus of 5 plus, from these two what can you take common? 2 is root 2 into root 2, I can take 1 root 2 common, root 2, it is root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Similarly, the product of two numbers is equal to 0 is, product of two numbers is equal to 0 is, that is, this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. So therefore first factor is 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. That gives you 5 minus 5 by root 2. And the second factor is that x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. So therefore the roots are minus 5 root 2 and minus 2. So here by simple prime factorization or factorization we are getting middle term splitting, we are getting the value of x. This is one method of factorization. Now this is question number 2, A part and B part, two sums are there. And these are got a typical nature. Okay, this is 3x square minus 2 root 6 plus of 2 is equal to 0. Now 3 into 2 how much? 6. 3 into 2, 6. So 6 can be middle term splitted in root 6 into root 6, that is 2 root 6. Okay, so I have done it. 3x square minus root 6 plus of 2 is equal to 0. From these two, what can I take common? That 3 means root 3 into root 3. Root 6 means root 3 into root 2. So I can take root 3x common. Then I get root 3, 1 root 3 will remain here. X minus 1 root 2 will be there, minus, from here it is that root 2 I'll take common, that is root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Then then I take common root 3x minus root 2 common out of these two terms. Then I left with root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Product of two factors is equal to 0 means either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0 or both the factors are 0. Okay, equating both the factors, what do I get? I get root 3x minus root 2 is 0 or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Do you know what is the nature? Without solving now, it is a repeated root. They are repeated. So x is equal to root 2 by root 3. Again from here x is equal to root 2 by root 3. The roots are root 2 by root 3 and root 2 by root 3, which are repeated roots. Okay. Then B part is that similar way I do it, that is 100x square minus 20x plus of 1 is equal to 0. How can you make it 20? That is 100 into 1 is 100 and 20 is, I make the middle term split 20. That is middle term factor split into 20. That is 10 into 10, 100. That is 100x square minus 10x minus 10x plus of 1. See, look here, there are 20. Okay. So then I take 10x common from both. Now ultimately we will get the factors 10x minus 1 into 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Seeing this, we can immediately say repeated roots. So, therefore, x is equal to 1 by 10, x is equal to 1 by 10. Roots are repeated and the roots are 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. But don't stop writing roots are 1 by 10 single one. You have to write when two roots are same, you have to write both. That is roots are 3 comma 3, 2 comma 2, so on. So don't write only 1 by 10. You will feel that 1 by 10 coming for the both the cases. So I'll write only 1 by 10. No, you will not write 1 by 10. You write 1 by 10 comma 1 by 10.